I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious microwave soufflé. Forget long baking times. This method lets you enjoy a fluffy, airy soufflé in just a few minutes. It's a fantastic way to satisfy a craving for something sweet or savory without much fuss. We'll cover everything from simple ingredients to quick cooking, ensuring you get a delightful, puffed-up treat every time. Get ready to impress yourself with this incredibly fast and easy dessert or breakfast option. To begin, you'll need just a few basic ingredients. For a sweet chocolate soufflé, combine 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of milk, 2 tablespoons of oat flour, 1 tablespoon of cocoa, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and a pinch of baking powder. Whisk these together in a microwave-safe mug until the batter is smooth. Make sure your mug is tall, about 16 ounces, to accommodate the soufflé's impressive rise. This simple mixture forms the base for your quick and delightful treat. Now for the magic part, cooking. Place your mug in the microwave and cook on high for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. Keep a close eye on it. You'll see it puff up dramatically. The top should look slightly glossy and creamy, not fully set or dry. This indicates it's perfectly cooked. Remember, microwave soufflés deflate quickly, so be ready to enjoy it right away for the best airy texture. Don't worry if it collapses a bit, it's still delicious. The beauty of microwave soufflé is its versatility. For a sweet treat, you can add a half teaspoon of vanilla extract or even a few chocolate squares to the center before cooking. If you prefer savory, mix in about 1/3 cup of shredded cheese, like cheddar or Swiss, with 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. Just be careful not to overcook it, as this can make it dry. Serve your warm soufflé with a dusting of powdered sugar, fresh fruit, or a dollop of whipped cream for an extra special touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.